Hey, cutie. Hello there. So, oh my gosh, this week okay, we're in the final week. So this is the last week that I'm going to be working like 4 8s. I'm sorry, 5 8s. And I'll be able to actually dedicate more time to doing artwork and stuff like that and getting back into my normal routine of business stuff. So this week I went and dropped off my wholesale order. I cannot tell you how excited I am to get stuff in the store. So over here, I'm going to just kind of give you a rundown of like what the store is and stuff like that. My stuff is not up yet, but it will be available. So she has to do inventory and then it will be available at the store, which is so great. So of course, while we were there, my girls decided that they wanted to buy some things and it's like 3D stuff. So they did that. And then I found this giant clipboard. And it's not really a clipboard. It's like huge, right? It's so nice. And it was $10. And I'm like, oh, I gotta get that. I got this for me, but realistically, I get this stuff for my girls too. Anyway, so I did want to actually, so some of the stickers you guys have seen before, but I did do my new design and I made it waterproof. And if you're from Whidbey Island, you know what this is, but I just had to share it because I'm super excited. A while ago, I showed you my design. It's like a mandala and it's got Deception Pass in the middle. Here it is. Hold on, if I can get it to focus. Look at that. It turned out so great. So that's a waterproof sticker. And then my Galaxy Cat, I've made these in the past, but I decided to do my third party to make my stickers, to make this one waterproof. This one's a big seller for me, so a lot of people buy that one. So I decided I would invest in it and have a few available, which I'll probably update my listing here sometime to change that to waterproof stickers. All right, so those are some really great news. And then I have some pretty sad news at the same time. So both my daughters coach, and it's one guy and he coaches 2 teams. His mom comes to our tournaments and things like that, and she tragically passed away. And it was very unexpected and traumatic for their coach. And his name is Hutchinson. At least it's his last name. And I don't normally ask this stuff from you guys, but I thought I would at least try. So right now he's trying to raise some funds for his mother's funeral. I will leave a link for the GoFundMe on in the comments. If you could just donate anything, it doesn't have to be anything crazy. I would really appreciate it. She was an amazing lady, and Hutch is an awesome guy. And my daughters have been a part of his team for the last 2 years, and he's just an amazing coach. And he pours himself into these girls. And right now he's struggling, and his family is struggling right now. So if you could also keep him in your prayers, I would really appreciate it. Okay. Well, now we gotta get to work. I'm gonna be doing some more painting of these. So many acorns. I have so many of them. Sorry, I just don't even know where to go from there. It's tragic. Very tragic. Okay, now with that said, it's time to get to work. I'm gonna do some more painting. Actually, this week I did have some orders, so I did some vertical for social media of me filling my orders, so I'll share that with you guys now, and then we'll get into doing some work, painting, all that stuff, and let's go. Welcome to this mini vlog as a part-time artist. So this week I spent quite a bit of time filling orders, and I cannot tell you how excited I was that I was able to use my new packing supplies. I've always wanted to do the Happy Meal. I was able to do some painting. Yet again, we're working on more acorns. Still waiting on my application for Ren Fair, so we will see. My new stickers came in this week for my wholesale order, so I was really excited to get that finally filled and taken care of, and be able to go and drop them off at our store. I brought my girls along so we could actually take a look of all the amazing artists and creatives that are in this store. So beautiful. And of course, my girls got some 3D dragons. They just can't help themselves. Kim makes jewelry, and she is just amazing. So many beautiful artists. And then I have another friend, Renee. She's also a mandala artist, and we are actually friends and don't see each other as competitors. Thank goodness. Her work is amazing. And then I spent some boring admin stuff. And then one morning, oh my gosh, the sunrise was so beautiful. And then on Saturday, I spent the day at a soccer game. And then finally, I got to rest and do my Bible study with my puppy.